guys, welcome to One Shoe Studio. So today I designed a series of postures that can relax your neck and your shoulder. So you can perform it in your office or on the bed after a day of work. So let me know your comments and I hope you enjoyed. Please do take care during this time. And if you like my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start. So now, you can come down into a comfortable sitting position or you may sit on a chair. So this exercise can be done anywhere and anytime. So we'll start with some simple breathing exercise. So now raise your arms parallel to the floor. Turn your palms up. On your exhale, so bring your palms touches in front of you. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So you may move your spine, that's fine, but keep your spine upright and straight. So we'll do 5 more times at your own pace. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, shrug your shoulder. And now we'll do some neck exercise stretches. So bring your right ear to your right shoulder. You may bring your hands onto your left ear and pull your right ear further down to your shoulder. Keep your spine upright and your left shoulder down. So you should feel a good stretch on the left side of your neck. Slowly release your hands. Bring your head to the center. Now left ear to your left shoulder. Pull your right shoulder down. And then pull your left ear further down to your left shoulder and stretch. So your head and your spine should be in line. Good pull on the neck. Slowly release your hands. Inhale, come back up. And now we'll do some turns to the right and left. So right, slowly turn your head to the right. Exhale, come back to the center. Inhale to your left. Exhale to the center. Continue for another 5 rounds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly roll your shoulder back in front. So we are going to raise our neck, stretches our neck. So we are going to combine this with some spine movements. So you may hold on to your chair or hold on to your legs, that's fine. As you inhale, concave your back, expand your chest to the front, and then look up. Stretch your neck. Exhale, breathe out. Round your back. Look towards your belly button. Inhale. And exhale. So we'll do another 4 rounds. Inhale. Pull your shoulder back. Exhale. 3. 2. 1. Slowly come back to the center. Roll your shoulder to the back, to the front. So we'll continue to stretch our shoulder blade and our hands. So now we are going to do eagle arms. So bring your right arm bending. Bring your left arm underneath, touching your palms, or just hold on to anywhere that you feel comfortable as long as you feel a stretch in your shoulder blade. So I'm going to hook on and then hold on to my right wrist and pull your shoulder down, lengthen your spine, straighten your back, and lift your elbow up and look to the front and breathe. So keep your shoulder away from the neck. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Shrug your shoulder and we'll start the other side. Bend your left hand. Bring your right hand underneath your left. Hold on to wherever you feel comfortable. Roll your shoulder down. Lengthen your spine. Pull your shoulder down away from your ears. And look to the front. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Shrug your shoulder back. Up. Now we stretch our shoulder. So now you can either bring your hands above your head, bending your elbows, touches your back, and then you can push it down your elbow, or you may choose to bring your hands, turn your palms down, and then open up your shoulder, bring it back, and hook on to your right hand. Keep your spine straight, keep your head straight, looking forward, and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, and we'll do the other side. So whatever option you took, as long as you feel a stretch on your shoulder, do not cause any tension on your shoulder. Pull back your shoulder, roll it back. And now straighten your spine and enjoy the stretch. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release. Now slowly interlock your fingers or hold on to your elbows. Roll your shoulder down. So choose the option you want. Roll your shoulder back, pull your hands down. And now as you inhale, raise your chest and look up. And exhale slowly. Keep your spine lengthened. Bend from your hips, bending forward. And raise your hands to the top. So if you are sitting, so you can just touch your belly to your thighs and raise your hands. Enjoy the stretch. Shoulder away from your ears. Slowly inhale. Bring yourself up. Now release your hands. Few shoulder rolls. And we'll end our practice with spine movements. So cat-cow modified version. So as you inhale, expand your chest. Exhale. Release your back. So pull back, round, heel. So this is working on your shoulder, your neck. Get the blood pumping. So we'll do one more. And now slowly come back to neutral spine. So we'll do some breathing exercise. Now just to calm our mind after a whole day of work. So we are doing some alternate breathing, left and right nostril breathing. So you can bring your index finger, placing it on your left nostril and thumb on your right nostril, just gently. And now you may press your thumb on your right nostril, releasing the left. Exhale through your left nostril. Inhale through your left. Close your left nose, releasing your right. Breathe out through your right nostril. Now breathing through your right nostril. Close your top and then releasing your left. Breathe out from the left. This is one round. So we'll continue breathing through your left. Close your left, releasing your right nostril. Breathe out. Breathe in through your right nostril. Close your right, releasing your left. Breathe out. So at your own time, we'll do another 3 more rounds. Once you're done, just releasing your hands, come back to normal breathing. You may close your eyes. Slowly bring your palms together. Rub your palms. Generating heat, forming cups with your hand. And place it around your eyes, feel the heat. Slowly blink your eyes open. Namaste. So I hope the practice does help you to relieve the pain and the sore on your neck and your shoulder. And also keep your body, your blood pumping. But do let me know any comments. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day.